We'll guide you through how to make a TNT bow in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So to go and do this, you will need to go and be in creative, as we're going to be using command blocks. So first off, open up the chat and type in /give, your name, and then command_block, like so. Then what you want to do is go and place one and another as well. Now what you need to do is go into the description of this video and you need to copy the first command. Now right click on one of the command blocks and you want to go and paste it in console command, like so, by pressing Ctrl V. Now come down here and you need to go and set impulse down to repeat, and then unconditional can be unconditional, and where it says needs redstone, set it to always active, and you can then press done. Now come into the other command block and you need to go and copy the second command. Paste it in by using Ctrl V, change impulse to repeat, and you can then go and set needs redstone to always active and press done. Now grab yourself a bow, and when you go and fire it, you're going to go and see you've now got a TNT bow. You're going to notice the chat will start to fill up, so you can type in /GameRule command B block and O output and change it to false. Now when you go and use it, you aren't going to go and have your chat filling up with messages.